morning, y'all. It is 10:30 on Monday morning. I am headed to go pick up my kids from their dad. Just for reference, it's the day after Father's Day. But in this video, it's going to quite literally be a get back up on your feet and get it all done, because I have been on the couch since Wednesday with what I thought was a broken pinky toe. Turns out I just sprained it really, really bad and have not been able to walk until this morning without limping around. I'm still not quite all the way back to where I need to be, but we've got to get this house picked up because it is an absolute complete disaster. So, alright, sorry about that. I had somebody call me from the office and I've got no clue where I left off, so we're going to be doing a get back on your feet clean with me. The whole house is a complete disaster because I have not been able to do anything cleaning wise since Wednesday, and it's now Monday. Josh has been working every single day, and it was Father's Day, so I totally didn't expect him to pick up the house on Father's Day. So there is quite a bit of a mess for me to pick up. And yeah, we're gonna go grab Kale and Lila now. Ooh, why is that shaking? Florida roads for you. We're gonna go pick up Kale and Lila now, and then we'll be back home in about 20 minutes or so, and we're gonna get started. All right, we are back home, and as you can see, I'm a hot mess express, but I literally have zero time to make any effort because, as you can probably tell behind me, it's bad. So, yeah, it's bad, and I keep looking at myself in the viewfinder. Terrible vlogger. So as you can probably tell, this is kind of where we left off with the monthly chores cleaning video. That's about as far left as I have to go in this room. But in the meantime, I have laundry, pillow, box, command central, and yeah, oh my goodness. It's terrible. Like, how does one function? No, not happening. So now that I can actually walk today, we're going to be getting all of this picked up because gross.
I think about all the years I made up, and I think I'm running out of time. Don't want a day when I say goodbye now, 'cause you leave a shiver down my spine. Don't let me fall to the ground so heavily, 'cause I recall what you go through easily. Just let me know where we head in this reverie, and I will stay. Don't mind the wait, I won't play. Don't like the game, 'cause I will stay, and I will wait for you. 'Cause I will stay, and I will wait for you. I know you're wrong, 'cause you're scared of loving, but baby, right now I'm too. Don't want a day when you say you're done now, 'cause you leave me crying over you. Don't let me fall to the ground so heavily, 'cause I recall what you go through easily. Just let me know where we head in this reverie, and I will stay. Don't mind the way.
opened my shorts drawer and I've been looking for this for weeks.
I don't usually fall for someone. I don't even care who I run from. You're on my mind, and you know I'm broken, but you're not the kind, on my mind, so listen. I'm on the run, afraid of heights, and too much for sound. But oh, you make me numb like no one else. You're too much to calm me down. Oh, you're another kind.
Okay, so I'm starting and this thing is empty. There's like just some dust on the side there, but this thing is completely empty. I'm gonna show you how much dog fur and dust we pick up after just 1 week of not vacuuming.
On the run, afraid of heights, and too much for sound. But oh, you make me numb like no one else. You're too much to calm me down. Oh, you're another kind. Oh, you're another kind. Oh, you're another kind. You're another kind. Oh, you're another You know that I'ma keep it cool. With you I feel like breaking rules. On the edge, looking out with no parachute. You know I'm dreaming about us two, playing around without a clue. On the
I have a quick call that I have to hop on real quick, and then we are going to tackle this kitchen. It looks absolutely horrendous. So after this quick meeting call, I will get right back into this cleaning video.
I don't think we got enough time to sort out all the fights, to sort out all the lies. Oh baby, yeah. There was a part of me that knew that, and still I'm caught by surprise. I thought you'd always be mine. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. Just thought I should let you know. Now, no words no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I've...
Hey y'all, it is 7:30. So I believe where I last left off, I had a meeting at like 2:30. And then I fought with my phone trying to figure out how to transfer files from an iPhone to a Windows PC because I'm brand new to Apple products. Then I had to clean up the counter. Oh wait, yeah, I did film that. Okay, so then I cleaned up the counter that I needed to cook dinner on, cooked dinner, took a shower, and my foot hurts so bad. It is so swollen right now. Meh. So if you need a reality check, allow me to be your reality check. If you're on the couch for 5 days and plan to get up and get your whole house cleaned, it ain't going to happen. But that's okay. I did get most of the house picked up at least. I got our laundry started for our sheets so we can sleep on nice clean sheets tonight. I cooked dinner for the first night in 5 nights. And what else did I do? I cleaned half the kitchen. So it is okay to leave dirty dishes in the sink overnight, especially if you can't physically stand to do them. So I will do those first thing in the morning, but it is what it is, honestly. And I can't put so much pressure on myself to get all of it done in one day, especially after being on the couch for 5 days with a swollen foot. So I'm gonna give myself a little bit of grace here and leave the dirty dishes in the sink. So until tomorrow. Hey y'all, happy Tuesday. This is some fantastic lighting we got going on here, but I am editing a video, putting my foot up because I had to go into the office today, and after sitting at a desk for a couple hours, it was kind of hurting me. It has not been a productive day. Well, I mean, it's been productive work-wise, but I'm supposed to have my video posted by noon. It's now almost 4. I have to get my butt up here in a minute and start cooking dinner, and I still don't have this video finished because work comes first. Sorry guys, but right now I am a full-time worker from home, and that is my priority along with the kids. Anyways, so I haven't gotten any cleaning done today, and I'm gonna have to go in there and clean one half of the kitchen again so that I can cook dinner. Somebody send help, please. But this is real life after an injury, trying to keep the tiny humans alive and everybody else like happy, I guess. So I am going to force myself to finish cleaning the whole kitchen tonight at some point. But this video has got to go up today. It's already late. I promised myself that I'd get it up today though. So I'm going to try and finish editing this and get this posted today for you guys. It is my get ready with me first day back to work, which was 2 Tuesdays ago. So I'm going to get this up for you guys, and I promise I will clean that kitchen and then get this video up for you guys for this Friday. And then everything else is just gonna have to get pushed back because of my foot. And my schedule is completely off. So I'll get it done. I promise. So I'm gonna finish doing this, do the dishes, How many more times can I say that? And then let's get into it.
I should let you know, yeah, no, it's no more, no. I really thought we had it covered. Was gonna patch up all the scars, but we smashed up all the parts. Oh, nah, nah, nah. Always knew that you were stubborn, but didn't know it'd be so hard to figure out who you really are. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. Just thought I should let you know. Yeah, no, it's no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. Yeah, no, it's no more. We're done now. No, it's no more. We're done now. No, it's no more. We're done now. No, it's no more. No, no. We're done now. No, it's no more. We're done now. No, it's no more. We're done now. No, it's no more. No, no. Yeah. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, down, down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. We keep moving like the